Today I'm going to be shooting these cups with food dye in them with the BB guns and seeing what happens. I'm going to use the Scar on the blue one, the Mauser on the red one, and the Stinger on the green one. And if they don't go through, I'll use this one because I think this one's the strongest. Oh, I didn't even load it. There we go. Oh yeah, I did. We have a leak right there. I'll try to hit it up a little higher. I think it's already almost empty. 2 holes in it. And finishing off. Alright, now we'll do the Mauser on the red cup. Just wait 1 second. That did nothing. I'll try one more. It might have been a hard spot to hit. I think I hit in the same spot twice. Alright, so that one's finished. The Scar had to do it because the Mauser was too weak, but it was really cheap. Stinger. Alright, the Stinger can do it. I hit it really high up too, so it's going to be a couple shots before it's empty. I'll try for a lower. I got the low right there. Alright, one more. And I think it'll be done. Right in there. The BBs are in there for all of them except the first shots from the Scar. It looks like they went through the bottom. One more. I know. Alright. So now it's over like that. I'll do ones to see if it will go through the cup. I made like a dent in it, but I seen it fly off that way somewhere. Okay, I think they're all empty. That'll be the end of this video. Tomorrow or later today, I'll use my full auto guns.